Check out what I just got in the mail, you guys. I got 3 Hot Wheels monster truck cases. I got the A case, the B case, and the C case, all from 2022. We're gonna open it up and take a closer look at it right now.
I'll help you with my lightsaber.
Let's open up this A case first. And of course I need one of these. Set it over here. And the first truck up out of the 2022 A case is Recreational. This is always a fun truck to have in your collection. This is from the Psycho-delic series. I like the smiley face wheels. And of course, who doesn't love the color of this truck? Look at all the psychedelic colors. Red undercarriage, blue crushable car, and its crash attack is Permanent Vacation. Awesome truck. And the next truck up is the Volkswagen Beetle, again from the Psycho-delic series. This was an amazing casting when I first saw it come out. Everything's amazing about it, including the color of the Beetle. The blue undercarriage has a green engine, and check out those flame tires. That is amazing. I love the Psycho-delic wheel covers. It comes with a green crushable car, and of course its crash attack is the classic Crusher. Awesome stuff. Next truck up. Now this is a unique truck, the Gungster. I love the color of the truck. It's that consistent lime green color all the way down the truck. It's even splattered on the tires. It's from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live version, so that'll be cool to see. It has an orange crushable car, and its crash attack is Slime and Slam, so this will be fun to see race down the track. All right, next truck up. The Spider-Man truck is pretty dang cool. Has an awesome card. If you like Fortnite, you got your full of Spider-Man. Awesome stuff. Green crushable car. And of course, its crash attack is Web Shooter. Next truck up, we have the Night Shifter. I showed this in a previous haul video of mine. It's from the Crash Legends series, but it's a beautiful casting. It did not do that well in my last King of the Hill, but it was still a really cool truck to see go down the track. I like those yellow wheels, red crushable car, and its crash attack is Street Light Smasher. Awesome stuff. And the next truck up, we have the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile from the Smash Pack series. Love the chrome wheels, green crushable car, and its crash attack is the Wiener Roast. And again, that sounds a little dangerous, but awesome truck. And the next truck up is my previous King of the Hill, Mega Rex, with those awesome blue tires. How I miss seeing him as the King of the Hill. He's from the Beast Bashers series, which makes sense because Mega Rex is a beast. He has a red crushable car, and his crash attack is Dino Bite. Awesome stuff, miss you, buddy. And the final truck in this 2022 A case is 5 Alarm. I love the recolor on this, all the chrome, the beautiful red, chrome wheels, green crushable car, and its crash attack is Fireball Stomper. An amazing monster truck and relatively fast on the track. That completes the A case. Let's get to the B case.
Wait a second, so it's C-A-B? No, A-C-B?
It's really funny he doesn't know his alphabet. And here's the 2022 B case. Let's open it up. Always fun to open up a new case. The first truck in the B case is the Hot Wheels Taxi Monster Truck. We've had this before. I love the checkered flag pattern to the tires. Awesome decos on the truck. Chrome engine in there. Black undercarriage. It's of the Crash Legends series. They did a great job with that series. It has a red crushable car, and its crash attack is the Checkered Slab. Will be fun to see it race down the track. Again, I'm always amazed how those trucks land back there after I throw them in the air. And the next monster truck up is the Super Mario Bowser. I've raced them before. I think I raced them on my slip and slide monster truck King of the Hill if you want to check that out. It's number 16 of 75, has an awesome card. I love the spiked top, has a blue crushable car, and its crash attack is the Fire Breath. Awesome stuff. And the third truck up is Sharkry. It looks like a lemon. It's so fluorescent yellow. It's an amazing truck. It's of the Beast Bashers. The colors are outstanding. It has a blue crushable car, and its crash attack is the Shark Tooth Chump. Amazing stuff. And the fourth truck up is the Bigfoot Monster Truck. Awesome stuff. I love the decos. I love the paint, the orange undercarriage and the white wheels. Beautiful chrome engine there in front. Awesome yellow crushable car. It's at the Hot Wheels Live, so you'll be seeing that in person someday. Its crash attack is the original OG Stomp. Awesome stuff. And the next truck up is the Dragbus of the Psycho-delic series. I have to admit I like this Psycho-delic series. They did an amazing job on this truck. It's got that cool pattern up top, great decos on the side, looks like a beautiful beach scene, got some crashing waves, got the Volkswagen insignia on front, awesome black tires and black wheels. It's got a red crushable car, and its crash attack is the drag down. Awesome stuff. And the next truck up, we have Race Ace. And again, he's another truck from the Monster Truck Live. An awesome casting. I love the colors. He's got an orange crushable car, and his crash attack is Big Time Bash. And the next truck up is Town Hauler. They did an amazing job on the paint job and the decals of this truck. Big old nasty teeth on the side. It's got chain tires. Awesome stuff. It's of the Twisted Tread series, which is one of my favorite series. Its crash attack is the Parking Lot Pile Up. And the final truck in the case is the SpongeBob SquarePants monster truck. Awesome card, and of course the classic SpongeBob. I love its chrome wheels, green crushable car, and its crash attack is Bikini Bottom Bash. That does it for the B case. Let's get to the C case. And there you have it, the 2022 C case. Let's get this opened up. I am excited. Oh, we have a sneak peek. All right, let's get it up. All right, and the first truck up in the 2022 C case, we have Buns of Steel. That is a fun casting. I love the red paint color, cool decos, Buns of Steel on the side. It's got some fries and a burger. I love the yellow undercarriage, the black wheels, black tires, green outline. It's of the Snack Pack series. It's number 2475 blue crushable car, and its crash attack is keep your eyes on your fries, or he's gonna grab them. All right, awesome stuff. All right, next truck up. We have the Corvette. Not a recolor, but it's still a cool casting of the Crash Legend series. And its crash attack is the Vet Jet. Hoping to see how fast he is in the next King of the Hill. All right, next truck. And it looks like we have another Dragbus. This was a previous color, but still awesome stuff. I love the blue, white decos. I love the chrome wheels, yellow crushable car. It's in the Crash Legend series, which was probably one of my top 3 favorite series. Its crash attack is drag down. Next truck. Now, I showed a video on this before. If you check out my TikTok and my Shorts channel, I did a fun little video with this truck. I was on the hunt for this, something severe, but this is the Back to the Future Time Machine DeLorean monster truck. I can't believe they did it. It is an amazing casting. That's A+ for Hot Wheels right there. Has a cool card on it. Chrome wheels. The flux capacitor's in there. A green crushable car. Well, I guess it's not that crushable. It looks like a hard plastic. I wish they'd stick with the squishy cars. These are my favorite. And of course, its crash attack is out of time, just like his license plate. Awesome stuff, great job. And the next truck up is Tiger Shark. Awesome stuff, had this before, of the Live series. Great decos, orange wheels, yellow car, and its crash attack is the Shark Tooth Chomp. Awesome stuff. And the next truck up we have Rhinomite. And this is amazing. I love the crush on the side and the different colors and stars. It looks like a comic book. Got a red undercarriage, red wheels, green car underneath. Oh, that makes sense. It's the comic book Crasher. That is awesome stuff. I love it. And its crash attack is the Horn Blast. I'm pretty excited for this truck. All right, next truck. And the final 2 trucks. Again, we have Thanos, which is an amazing truck. It's not a recolor, but it's still cool. Of course, its crash attack is the Snap. Yeah, you don't want this guy snapping. All right, next truck. And the last truck of this 2022 C case is Hot Wheels Delivery. It's of the Psycho-delic series. Peace, love, and harmony. Awesome stuff. Look at all the flowers and cool color patterns. It has an orange car underneath, and its crash attack is the Cargo Crunch. Awesome stuff. Well, we just went over a lot of monster trucks, all from the 2022 A, B, and C case. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Check out my most recent King of the Hill. Make sure you leave a like, and see you guys all real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.